Hi, hello. My name is Anta, and I am from Binus Business School. Today, I'd like to talk about big data, AI, and also its implication in a strategic marketing perspective. What's big data? Let's talk about big data for a while. Big data refers to large, complex data sets that are too big or complex for traditional data processing softwares to handle efficiently. Now, these data could be in different type of forms. It could be in quantitative format, qualitative data, social media information, or social media sentiment, which companies typically use to understand their brand positioning in the social media context. It could be customer information, and so on and so forth. Now, on the other hand, AI is a system that works using algorithms, data, and learning methods to analyze information, find patterns. They could also make predictions or decisions. To put that into context in a strategic marketing perspective, let's talk about Tokopedia. Tokopedia has, give or take, 100 million monthly active users. That's 100 million worth of customer data in your CRM. Now, try and imagine processing that amount of data into useful information using conventional or traditional methods. That's almost impossible because those data consist of a lot of information. It could be psychographic information, demographic information, behavioral, geographic, commercial preference, purchase behavior, historical data, even up until expenditure. And these information could also be combined with a lot of other informations that they collect throughout the platform, such as time spent in using the platform itself, or how many times you visit the platform in a day. So there's a lot of information that could be combined and analyzed by using AI. Now, with AI itself, a company like Tokopedia will be able to process the data and transform that into information, strategy, and also implementation in a marketing context. Now, on the information level, they will be able to create multiple segmentations based on different characteristics and then cluster them in their in appropriate categories. For example, they will have throughout that 100 million customers, they will be able to cluster similar customers with each other. For example, customers that has items in their carts, customers who are interested in sports or fashions, customer that has browsed shoes to go to work, especially combining that information with how engaged your customers are with your platform, how often they visit your platform, even their purchase behavior, like their transaction history, and so on and so forth. Now, on a strategic level, AI will be able to develop and create a mass customization campaign personalized for each customers. For example, customers that has items in their carts, they could give discounts, payday campaigns, or free delivery on salary day, that kind of stuff that will convert those customers that has items in their shopping carts on specific dates. They could also deliver efficient budget forecasting that would deliver high return on marketing investments. So segments that are more likely to convert and make a purchase will be their priority to sort of target, and AI could help automate that in a sense that managing 100 million customers will be is difficult. Now, they will also sort of be able to deliver campaigns based on budget constraints. So whatever resources you have, they will be able to sort of adjust and maximize our resources to deliver the optimum result. Now, on an implementation level, on the other hand, they will be able to automate campaigns through effective channels. So let's say the most cheapest channel would be email marketing. So if they can't reach you through email marketing, they'll send you an SMS, a push notification at a specific time at a specific location. So, or they, if you ignore that as well, then they will reach you through social media advertising, right? So they will show you ads about sports in Instagram. They'll show you about sportswear in TikTok, and they'll try to reach you wherever you are. So basically, AI will be able to sort of automate that process and sort of optimize the way marketers do their daily job. They will also be able to deliver customized content for different customers. So mass personalization is also important for marketing. So that's something that they will be able to do as well. They will be able to deliver campaigns based on budget constraints as well. Now, that's how marketing works in a modern way. And hopefully that sort of explains what big data, AI, and also the practical implications in strategic marketing. Thank you.